Hello everybody, this is Bill Hong from Remax Premier. I'm here at 387 King Street East in Kitchener. The project of KC Plaza is in the stage of finishing up. We are preparing for residential unit rental as well commercial rental. I'm looking in here is that we on the ground floor of the building B with a 60 residential unit and the retail space on the ground floor. In a few moments, I'm gonna take you upstairs to show you we had a 1-bedroom, 1+den, as well as 2-bedroom available for rent. So I'm gonna show you the 1-bedroom in a few moments, okay? Let me walk you through the building at the moment, okay? Okay, so here is the ground floor. As you can see, looking up on King Street here. This King Street here is the main road that leads almost like a central to the downtown of Kitchener. This is the main entrance for the resident. We have elevators as well. There's a stairway to go up the can also act. Okay, let's go upstairs. Let's take the elevator up. At the moment, I have a couple model units to show you. As you can see, it's a wide corridor, very easy for moving and easy access. I'm gonna show you the unit 204. This is a 1-bedroom unit. In this unit is about 508 square feet. Full appliances. Very modern design, easy layout for furnitures. This is the dining, living area, kitchen, and also the eating area. High ceiling, 9 feet by, and 12 here is about 8 feet ceiling. It's a 1-bedroom. Bathroom here. Stack laundry set. This 2-bedroom is asking $2,000 per month plus hydro. Brand new. Lots of cabinets. Space here. You can great for a small family or a couple. Working couple would be perfect. Work from home. Lots of space. Okay, so this 1-bedroom is available occupancy date starting from March 1st. If anyone is interested, please inbox me or give me a call at 416-553-6328 for more information. I'm going to show you now is the 2-bedroom unit. Okay. Okay, so let's go inside unit 202. This is a 2-bedroom unit. I staged it, so giving the prospect tenants an idea how to lay out the furnitures. This unit is about approximately 900 square feet. Full appliances. Lots of kitchen cabinets as well. Breakfast dining area. On the second floor, we have a recessed balcony. Starting from the 3rd floor, we have a full-size balcony. We still have a good access to get a bit of outdoor. This side is facing the parking lot. The opposite side of this unit is facing King Street. Very wide and space foyer for easy to move furniture in and out. And this is the 2-bedroom. This is about the same size. Both come with closets, high ceilings. All windows come with blinds. There's a larger bathroom here. Yeah, this one here is the larger bedroom. Has closets. Also has own laundry machine here, and that's, all units come with laundry. So the 2 bedrooms is asking at $2,800 per month plus hydro. Very convenient location here at King and Cedar. So there you have it. I have 1 bedroom as well as 2-bedroom units to show it to you. If you have any questions, please give me a call at 416-553-6328. I also have 1 bedroom and a den. That is $2,400 per month, plus of course hydro. And there's another smaller 1 bedroom, which is just over 600 square feet. That is about $2,100 per month. Okay, so any question, feel free to give me a call, text me, or check my website, beautyhometeam.com. Thank you very much for your time, and looking forward to hear from you. Cheers. Okay, here is the 1+ den unit. And it's a bathroom, a den. This is the access to one of the bedroom. Currently, the builder is using it as an office. Soon they'll be clearing out. This is the dining, sitting area. Walk out to the recessed balcony. Looking down to King Street. Again, it's fully appliance. Sorry, just a little bit mess here as they are finalizing up with all the preparing for the occupancy date. This one unit is about 700 square feet and also available from March 1st. There are each floor is only one unit of 1+ den and 2 bedrooms. The rest is 1 bedrooms. So first come, first take. This unit is asking at 2,400 plus hydro. It's a very good size for a couple that also work from home, right? Or a couple that are working and need a computer area, or students. Oh, okay. So what do you think of this 1+ den unit? If you have any question or comments, please feel free to give me a call or send me a text, 416-553-6328, or inbox me. Thanks again for your time. Looking forward to hear from you. Thank you. I'm taking you up to the rooftop and check out the common seating area for the residents only. Let's stop at 7. One more floor. So we had from 2nd floor to 7th floors are residential units. The rooftop here is a common area for all the residents to use. Sorry for the mess, there's still a lot of things clearing out. Here we have a common area of a sitting, I would say party room, and use it for gathering or sitting, relaxing. Also have a sort of a kitchen, small kitchen there. Here you can look right down to see the full King Street. What a view, right? Today is a beautiful day for February. 14+ degree. Wow, I feel like spring. Tomorrow is Lunar New Year. This is perfect for the New Year's. It's a perfect weather for the New Year celebration. Okay, let's see if we can go out here. This is the area. Oh, it's still locked. So let me just give you a peek here. We have some seating area. I guess the railing is not done yet, so it soon will be finalized. So then you can up here for coffee, lunch, gathering in the summer. You know, sitting around, enjoy the outdoor. Only for resident. This is only for residents to use. No commercial. Commercial tenant will not get access to this facility. Okay. Okay, so here we have it. This is the rooftop common facility area for the residents of this building to use. Let me know what you think of this condominium, 387 King Street, East in Kitchener. If you have any question, inquiry, or any information you need to find out for rental here, I can be reached at 416-553-6328. Thanks again for your time, and I appreciate it, and hopefully hear from you soon. Okay, take care. Cheers for now.